Hello once again and welcome to this lesson. In this video, we are going to answer a very important question. What is Adobe Premiere Pro? If you are completely new to video editing, don't worry, I will explain everything clearly. Adobe Premiere Pro is a professional video editing software developed by Adobe. It is used to edit videos for movies, YouTube, television, social media, documentaries, and client projects. Premiere Pro is what we call a non-linear video editing software, and this simply means that you can edit any part of your video at any time without damaging your original footage. So you can cut clips, move them around, add music, add text, apply effects, adjust colors, and export your final video all in one place. So who uses Premiere Pro? Adobe Premiere Pro is used by professional video editors, filmmakers, YouTubers, and content creators, freelancers, and creative agencies. Even for music video edits, it is trusted worldwide and is considered an industry standard editing software. So why Premiere Pro? One major reason Premiere Pro is so powerful is because it works very well with other Adobe softwares like Adobe After Effects, Adobe Photoshop, and Adobe Audition. It also supports almost every video format and works on both Windows and Mac. A quick encouragement: if Premiere Pro looks complex right now, that's completely normal. By the end of this course, everything you see will make sense. I'll guide you step by step from beginner level to confident editor. A quick task instruction: after this lesson, I want you to open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer and simply look around the welcome screen. Don't worry about clicking anything yet, just get familiar with it. And in the next lesson, we'll look at the system requirements and the Premiere Pro workspace.